Folks, join me on a journey, not to a vacation spot, but to master your money. Imagine waking up each day feeling confident about your finances, knowing exactly where your money is going and how it's working for you. This isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's about building a life you're proud of, one decision at a time. This is about taking control, not letting your finances control you. It's about making choices that serve your goals, not just reacting to bills and expenses as they come. Online financial training is your ticket to a better future. With the right tools and knowledge, you can break free from old habits and start building wealth, no matter where you're starting from. Stop letting your money just happen to you. Start telling it where to go. Set goals, track your progress, and celebrate every small win along the way. You work too hard to watch your dollars vanish without a plan. Every paycheck is an opportunity to move closer to your dreams, not just survive another month. I've seen people buried in debt, and I've seen them climb out. What changed? Knowledge. The willingness to learn, to ask questions, and to try something new. They invested in themselves, and that's the best investment you can make. When you grow your financial skills, you open doors for yourself and your loved ones. Today, financial education is more accessible than ever. You can learn at your own pace from anywhere and start applying what you learn immediately. You just have to be willing to start. The first step is often the hardest, but it's also the most important. I've made mistakes, felt the stress, and I don't want that for you. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed, but I also know the relief that comes from having a plan. I want you to have peace, to sleep at night, to build a legacy. Imagine the freedom of knowing your family is secure and your future is bright. It all starts with education and a decision to change. The resources are here, the support is here. You just need to take that leap. Are you ready to roll up your sleeves? It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every effort you put in now will pay off for years to come. This journey is about more than numbers. It's about changing your family's future. It's about setting an example, breaking cycles, and creating new opportunities. Let's take this first step together. You're not alone. There's a whole community ready to support you. Commit to mastering your finances, for yourself and those who depend on you. Your commitment today can change everything tomorrow. The path to financial peace starts now. Let's begin this journey together, one step at a time. In our digital world, your money is everywhere. Online, in apps, in the cloud. That convenience brings new risks. Hackers, scammers, and endless temptations to spend. Every click and swipe creates a data point that can be exploited. Financial security now means more than a strong password. It means strong financial education. Companies spend billions to get your cash. Without a plan, your money slips away. Guarding your money is about defense against scams and offense against bad habits. Financial literacy is a basic life skill. Don't navigate blindly. Understand the risks. Build a fortress around your finances. Stay informed, stay vigilant. The first step is admitting you need to learn how. Managing money can feel overwhelming. Jargon, products, and advice everywhere. Many freeze up hoping for the best, but hope isn't a plan. Inaction is costly. Confusion leads to mistakes like debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or bad investments. The biggest risk is not knowing what you're doing. These aren't bad people, just people who haven't learned a better way. You might sign a bad loan, fall for a scam, or neglect retirement. Each mistake digs a deeper hole and adds stress. Personal finance is mostly behavior, but you need knowledge to guide it. The industry profits from confusion, so take ownership of your education. Cut through the fog, learn the language, build the confidence to make smart choices for your future. Misinformation about money spreads fast and does real damage. In today's digital world, it's easier than ever for myths and half-truths to go viral, reaching millions in seconds. The consequences can be devastating, especially when people act on advice that sounds good but isn't grounded in reality. Social media is full of gurus promising quick riches, but they hide the risks and debts. These influencers often show off luxury lifestyles, but rarely talk about the losses or the real work it takes to build wealth. Their advice can be tempting, but it's often misleading. There are no shortcuts. Get rich quick usually means get poor quicker. Chasing overnight success can leave you with empty pockets and shattered confidence, making it even harder to recover. Take Mark, a mechanic who saved $20,000, then lost it all day trading on bad advice. He trusted online tips instead of proven strategies and paid the price. The loss wasn't just financial, it hurt his family and dreams. The stress and disappointment rippled through his home, affecting relationships and future plans. Bad advice can cost you your savings, peace of mind, and future. It can take years to rebuild what's lost, and the emotional toll can linger long after the money is gone. Good people are led astray by flashy marketing instead of proven principles. Clever ads and bold promises can make anyone second-guess their instincts. That's why you need reliable, trustworthy financial education. Real knowledge empowers you to make decisions that last, not just ones that sound exciting in the moment. Learn from those with a track record, not anonymous internet faces. Seek out experts who have helped others succeed and whose advice stands the test of time. You need a plan that works in the real world, not just hype. A solid strategy is built on facts, discipline, and patience. The price of bad advice is too high, don't pay it. Protect yourself by questioning what you hear and double-checking the source. Choose to learn from the right sources. Invest your time and energy in education that's proven and practical. Protect your future by investing in real knowledge. Every smart decision you make today builds a stronger tomorrow. Don't let someone else's mistake become your story. Take control of your financial journey and learn from the best. Make smart choices, not desperate ones. Your future self will thank you for the discipline and care you show today. Your financial future is too important to risk. Guard it with knowledge, caution, and a commitment to learning. Learn, plan, and protect what you've worked for, because your dreams are worth it. How do you fight confusion and bad advice? Arm yourself with knowledge. Premium online financial training offers structured, expert-led courses for every stage of life. Whether you need budgeting, debt help, or investing basics, there's a course for you. These programs break down big topics into manageable lessons you can learn at your own pace. It's not just about watching videos, it's about real transformation. Think of it as hiring a personal trainer for your finances. Invest in a guide who helps you change your habits and reach your goals. What sets premium courses apart? Expert instructors, clear advice, and interactive tools. These are seasoned professionals who teach from real experience. The advice is simple, practical, and actionable. No jargon, just results. You get step-by-step plans, budgeting templates, and real-world tools. Many courses offer community support, so you're never alone. This support system keeps you motivated and accountable. It's the difference between reading about swimming and having a coach in the water. Investing in a course is investing in yourself. It pays dividends for life. Commit to learning the skills that will change your financial future. Meet Sarah, a single mom with big dreams for her and her young son, but facing overwhelming challenges. Determined to change her future, she took control of her finances through online training. Even though she was nervous at first, she started with $45,000 in debt, working 2 jobs just to get by, feeling stuck and hopeless as bills piled up each month. But Sarah didn't give up. She signed up for a course, learned to budget, and tracked every dollar she spent. Small changes added up. She tackled her debts one by one, celebrating each small win along the way. Each victory gave her hope and momentum, reminding her that progress was possible, no matter how slow. The course's supportive community kept her encouraged. She connected with others, shared her journey, and learned to invest for the future. She started a retirement fund, something she never thought possible before. After 3 years of hard work, she paid off all her debt. With no more payments draining her income, she finally felt free. She began saving for a down payment on a house, something she once thought was out of reach. 2 years later, she bought a home for her and her son. From debt to homeowner, her life transformed and her son's future looked brighter. That's the power of financial education. It can open doors you never imagined and give you the tools to build a better life. If Sarah can do it, so can you. No matter where you start, change is possible. Your story of transformation starts today. Take the first step toward your new future. Click the link at the bottom of the description. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.